Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the FuturePay application on your device. So let's get started right away. Now, if you are not able to find the FuturePay application for your iOS or Android device, you can still install the web browser version by first of all opening up your web browser and then typing in futurepay.com in the address bar and then press enter. Now, once you are inside the FuturePay official website, you can proceed with signing into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner and then using your credentials. However, you can still install the application without signing in by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner, and if you're using Chrome, then hover over to save and share and then click on the create shortcut button. If you're using your Edge browser, simply hover over to the apps option and then click on install this site as an app. You will then be able to name your FuturePay application whatever you wish and also edit its icon. After making your edit, click on the install button and now the FuturePay application will be installed as an application, and you will also have the option to pin it to your taskbar and create a desktop shortcut. After clicking on the allow button, make sure you click on the yes button as well. And now the FuturePay application will be pinned to your taskbar and a shortcut will also be created on your desktop. And now you can simply double click to use the FuturePay website as an application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the FuturePay application on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.